Alright, today we're playing, what is this fucking game called? Bloody Ragdoll Engine, I think. So I'm gonna just jump off. Go. Yay! Woohoo! What? See, I didn't take any fall damage. No, I didn't take any fall damage, see? I take no fall damage at all. I just fell. I slipped. That's all. I just slipped. Let me teleport up here. Ooh. And let's go. Yeah. Wait, let me see myself. Okay, yeah, this is good. Yay! Yeah! Alright, we're on the slide now. So, let's just go down. Okay, this doesn't seem so bad so far. Oh my god! Alright, now I'm on the mountain, so, yay! Alright, let's go. Just going down. Okay, see, that wasn't that bad, though. That wasn't that bad. That was not that bad, actually. Alright, let's go to the roof. I mean, not the roof, the plates fall. Alright. Ow. Alright, so we're only gonna fall down here. We're not gonna go anywhere. Ah! Alright, now I'm on the rooftop. So, oh my god, I literally just fucking tripped. I tripped. Alright, so now we're gonna teleport to the... I think the spiral stairs. The spiral stairs, yeah. Wait, I clicked. Okay. Alright, now we're in the spiral stairs. What the hell is up with this dude? Is he okay? Okay, we're here. I could have sworn I saw groovy dominoes too. Oh wait, no, it's the fake one. That's not bad. It's the fake one. Let's go. Okay. Damn. No, why the hell do I look like this? You what the hell? What is my enemy? Alright, we're on the normal stairs now. Let's just ragdoll here. This, bro, it's like the same animation. Holy. Alright, now we're going to. Oh, I was just trying to slide on that other part of the stairs, but never mind. Okay, we're gonna. Okay, yeah, no. This now. What the hell is my character look? Oh god, he's really red. Alright, we're gonna go on the slide again. Yay! Oh god. Oh, okay. That actually looked like it kinda oh god, that actually doesn't look like it hurt. Let's teleport to I've ragdolled. Alright, let's teleport to the free fall. Ooh, this is hot. Oh god. Didn't mean that I pressed it. Now we're going. Oh, we are going. Oh god! Alright, now we're gonna go back on the slide. Like the third time, I think. Okay, we're going. We're on the side again, dude. Again. Oh, damn. That hit pretty hard. Though. Alright, we're going on the normal stairs again. What the? Yo. Looks like I'm trying to propose to someone, but I just did a split on accident. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Oh, we're starting. Oh, god. Dude, come on. What the hell? What is that position? What the? Yeah, see, he looks exactly like Groovy Dominoes, dude. Real? Honestly, real. Just to see what he said. Oh, god. Yo, figure this came out of nowhere. Trying to beat the fuck. We're on this, bro. We're on the slide again, bro. I don't know why. It's because there's literally nothing else to do. What the hell is that? Free bucks in the cheese. Ooh, cannon. Yeah, I'll go on this cannon. Alright, now we're gonna jump into the pool. Yo, the pool the pool's really realistic. Not gonna lie. Look at the water. I mean, water looks like that. Roblox, what the fuck? What the hell? Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna go up here. I'll go up here. Now I jump off. Oh! Alright, so we're going downstairs now. Alright, that kinda hurt. You can tell that kinda hurt. Who the hell named yourself Fortnite? What the hell? Fortnite? Yeah, I'm gonna leave you there. I'm gonna teleport to the spiral stairs again. And jump down. Yo, what the hell? Yo! No! Alright, so we're trying this again. Just Alright, there we go. Now it works. Okay. Did we go? Okay, yep. So I hate how my character looks. It's funny when it's going down the stairs. It looks it's like a roll. I mean, I don't know what else I really expected though, so. Yeah. Alright, now we're done with this. So let's go over to this now. This is, oh. Oh my god! Oh! Alright, so now we're with the blender. I really don't know what to expect from here. We just have to go in the blender. I mean, we don't have to, but oh my god. Oh my god. Ow. Ow.